Hey friends, welcome to this video. Today I'm going to show you this new product that I'm so excited to try. Came in this bag. I already opened it. And this is an ergonomic 3D airbag seat cushion. This is for using in your office, your home, your game chair, or something like that. And it's to give you some comfort in your posture, your back. So one thing that I love about this is that have this this side to inflate and this side to deflate. So you don't need to take any other device to inflate your cushion. You just push here and your cushion starts to inflate. So it's ready. As you can see, our airbag seat is already placed. And I just use this to push. Was so quick. You can choose the level of air that you want in your cushion. I think that this is great. You can see the form. This have this form because help you in the airflow. And have the perfect size to put it in any chair. Here. And I can really feel the comfort in my chair. It's really comfortable, feels good. I have stability, and I am more comfort with my posture too. So that's great because this will help me to don't have pain in my back or something like that. So when you don't use your airbag seat cushion, you just have to use the other side of the cushion. Look, here you press and the air is going. So just push it. And when you finish, you can put it inside of this bag that came with your cushion. In this one. And this is for your cushion inside. When you flate your cushion, you can put it inside of this and give to your airbag a better view, more formal, and you don't have to use it just like this because you have this one. You can use it in both ways as you want. So I highly recommend this airbag seat cushion for you. See you.